the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video on the T Mobile Revvl. So this is a new phone from T Mobile. So this is what the phone looks like. This is a virtual smartphone from T Mobile. I think this phone is made by Alcatel, I think. I'm not 100% sure on that. I said this is a new phone which was released on Friday. So this is like the third generation of the Revvl series from T Mobile. So that is really nice. So you guys see this one has a notch on it this time around. So if you guys are a fan of notches, there you guys have it. But anyways, it does have an 18:9 screen right there. It looks like it has a camera flash as well on the front, which is a win if it is one. Which I think it is one, so that's a win. Your power button on the right side, so is your volume keys. Power button on the right side, so there you go. It's available on 32 gigs, available in black there. That's the front of the phone. The camera does stick out there just a tad bit, if you guys can see that. I think your SIM card and SD card slot is on I think it's on the left side. Your SIM card and your memory card slot is on the left side, so the battery is not removable on this one. Just the back of you guys have a camera flash, fingerprint sensor, T-Mobile logo, and your Revvl logo right there. It says plastic back. It's kind of interesting. This does have a T-Mobile logo. It's kind of interesting because a lot of phones now don't have the carrier logos on it anymore. So it's kind of interesting that this has a T-Mobile logo on it. Kind of interesting. On the right side, like I said, your volume and power button on the right side of the phone. So let's go check out more stuff about the Revvl. Alright. Like I said, 32 gigs available in black. Y'all guys can get it for $8.34 a month for 24 months. This is on T-Mobile postpaid service. The full retail price of this phone is $200. So do keep it in mind, it's $200 full retail or $8.34 a month for 24 months. The key features of the T-Mobile Revvl is a 5.85 inch display. That is a 1520 by 720 pixels. That is a 5.7 inch display. Now mine's 5.7 inches HD plus display. Here dimensions is 5.85 inches height, 2.81 inches width, and 0.31 inches depth. You have fast focusing camera, up to 24 hours of talk time, and 19 days of standby time. You have 40 hours of battery, and the fingerprint sensor on the back, like I mentioned. It says, "Don't let the small size fool you. Revvl is a performance powerhouse that leaves lifetime behind. Stream content and use your favorite apps without freezing up or slowing down, thanks to a Qualcomm Snapdragon 632 octa-core processor and plenty of memory." So a lot of fans are coming with the Snapdragon 632 processor. So it's a pretty decent processor right there, octa-core. It's the same processor as like the Moto G7 and all smartphones, so that's pretty cool. It says, "Enjoy more of your games, movies, and photos on an ultra-wide 5.7 inch max vision HD plus display. Never miss a moment with the fast focusing 13 megapixel camera back and capture your brightest selfies with a built-in flash on the front, and it all starts by unlocking the phone with just a glance. All with an industry-leading 2-year warranty. Revvl smartphone, smart price." So this one comes with a 2-year warranty, which is a win. Because some people do keep their phones for a couple of years, and there's nothing wrong with that. So not too bad right there. Specs on some 3,000 mAh battery. The battery's not removable. It does have band 71 and stuff like that. It has a 600 megahertz spectrum, I think. I don't see that in here, but I don't know if that's the 600 megahertz from T-Mobile, which I don't see it here. But has you in the compatibility is like Wi-Fi connections version is dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, and Wi-Fi 802.11 ABGN is WEA compatible. The REVVLRY weighs 5.92 ounces, Android Pie, Snapdragon 632. It also has mobile pay on there, so y'all guys can use Google Pay on this phone and stuff like that. What you guys get in the box is nothing special. You know, y'all guys can get the T Mobile Revvl smartphone SIM card, wall charger, charging cable, quick start, and terms and conditions. So it's done self-service or new headphones or nothing like that. I don't know if this takes Type-C charging or not. I'm not sure. I'm hoping it does, but we'll have to wait and see. So there you guys have the T Mobile Revvl, no Revvl, for $200 for retail or $834 a month for 24 months. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys are listening out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.